The key political, what you're going to call juggernauts, the political papawagans for Etsako land, now here then day, now here Okaka day, now here Kulukulu one day, but wait till they do so, make you help me tell and make it come back home. Anything where he be to them, PDP make up what he be, and you're not going to find the house where he build. So he must come back home, come make sure say there is continuity in Edo State. You know what will happen? Those people that don't try different tactics will not work. The first thing when they first talk, they say we will not get candidate. But after that kind of appeal now, we get candidate. When that one don't fail, finish, they not see what they do again. Now to define how they want to take re-election. Then they issue threat. They will tell us, say, that they make you not come out. If they get too head, make them come out. They're going to just blow. When I don't hear foul, they call hawk, say make we come fight. Or antelope, they call lion, make we come fight. They don't know, say those ones, they don't get weight. The next way where I will hear, and I don't be me they talk about it, at the reader for so.
I know what they talk. I know what they talk. Who are they talk? I hear from call. I know what they talk. Who are they talk? And they talk about Danobi. Danobi is misbehaving badly. And I need to tell you, so I'm making a know. In 2020, we will not get governor. He was chairman of this party for 12 years, will not produce governor. Will not get any House of Assembly. Will not get any council chairman. 2020, I was on March 20th, I was elected the chairman of the party under his tutelage. And when the governor was, when there was a chance for the governor to come, I went to him. Hello, God. Governor, they come. It's better for us to have a governor in our party because of the things that can accrue to the party. When our pikin say, no way, he don't want to make governor join our party. Is that one good? No. He good? No. He good? No. Serious error. This your same son, he led a group of people to go to stop our governor from emerging as a candidate of our party. That one good? No. As if he never do. He carry people go court. He said, make them stop council elections. Make them stop council elections. Say, make court stop PDP from feeding candidates for council elections. That one good? No. Another error. How many errors don't be now? 2 errors. Okay. May I say that's it, they go ahead. May I say go ahead? Okay. The third error. The one we be saying, I just tired. I begin to say, Egbewa woman. He can't carry our candidates when we don't elect finish. One of our elect finish for Ogbe Stadium. They carry and go court. He said, make court drop out. Make PDP not get candidate. He said, better make PDP not get candidate and make our candidate as our candidate. That one I'm waiting. Other one. So I beg, going forward, I want you, I just tell you this ones, make una know say this party, this local government is a PDP local government. No matter what anybody has done or we do. People like Ogiagome and Omini here, we are sure that you will vote for us. Because we get good candidates. We get candidates in Sabi. And because of what the governor don't do before, this one will build on top of her. Because one government not will do everything. You must get other person when you will continue with what they do. If they get when they do relay race, when you say they do relay race, not be batting, if they give to the person who there for your country, you go carry batting, go give the other person. So Obaseki, they hold the batting for the final lap for PDP. You know if you go give another person now, that's an error. So you must give to the person where they PDP, where you won't give the thing to. Not be so. because of that, let me, on your behalf, invite.
I said when they try you, now we go support. Let's go! Somebody say, Awa! Never, never again. I don't know they go back. Now forward forever. If you want to go, it doesn't matter. I go, now they know. If you want to be me, full of the south. Let's go! I swear, leave me when they try you. Now we go support my governor. I said when they try you, now we go support. Etsako say, I'm ready. Ighodalo good to go. He's a go. He's a go. Good to go. He's a go. He's a go. Good to go. Good to go. He's a go. He's a go.
I saw they tell you now. PDP. Asue for governor. Well, not too much. Etsako Central, oh yeah. Etsako Central, oh yeah. Youth, oh yeah. Women, oh yeah. We don't want the biggest. When I come for myself. This afternoon, I can't thank you because from what I don't see, no problem for this local government.
100% sure.
PDP don't win Etsako Central. But I know why? I see on a hand. When INEC when INEC open the registration, when they do CVR, continuous voter registration, Etsako Central may be one of the highest. Who be the people who go register? Now be una. Before, when you look the result from Etsako Central, total vote, everybody, 14,000. This registration alone, 10 words, una do 7,500. So I can't thank una. I know. Say, from what I see here today, now the youths una try. Youths una try. As una they enter 18 years and above, now they register. I say, you know, say for those states now, we they use computer well. Now computer we they use do everything. As something they happen, I just stay for government house. I don't thank you now. I want also, make una help me. Thank Asue Ighodalo. This man, one that see so. I don't know. I know him for a long time. Long time. He be like my brother, I know be so. We resemble. But the only thing where we don't resemble, now money. He get money past me. He get brain past me. So,
So for that, those two, I get a cap. That's why I say make una thank am. The reason I say make una thank am, this man, he leave everything when they do. He live in law firm. In law firm, now one of the biggest for Nigeria. The man, now so company, foreign company, local company, then they look for him. Oh yeah, come see our board, come be our chairman, come be our director. All of those, he leave them. He resigned because he say all this money, all this thing no matter. Wetin matter na my people. Make I go serve them. God don't bless me. Make I use some of this blessing, go bless my people too.
We see you.
So, for me as governor, una know wetin we don't do for the last 8 years. Teachers, una don't try for us. I do best. Good job, you. For health, everywhere una no see we dey do primary healthcare center. For young people and old people, una no dey see internet. We dey bring free Wi-Fi come all over Edo State, so that you fit sit down here for Fugar. You go dey do your internet, you go dey do your work. They sell work abroad. You no need to live here. Our leader talk about electricity. Gas line pass through Etsako Central. This man when Sabi, he don't put electricity plant down. As we are here, all this work what we do for 8 years. Now like say we dey set the block, we dey do the foundation. As we dey finish the foundation, we say this is where we dey go. For the next 30 years, where Edo is supposed to go. We look the age of Edo. The average age is less than 30 years. So we say for the next 30 years, where Edo they go. Why 30 years? 30 years make one generation. When you born pikin today, by the time you be 30, you're not ready to born again. So for the next 30 years, where Edo go, they go. It no matter where Nigeria they go, but where Edo they go. Maybe we do our own first. When we do our own, we're going to use our own help Nigeria. We don't do that plan. Una want make the stop arm. Una want make the stop arm. They say those who plan to fail to plan. The master planner, where I know for this country, now this man. I don't do the plan. Make I give the plan to somebody who knows how to read. They go feel reader. Who make I give the plan to? Why? Because it's Sabi. So I don't do the plan. Una go help me. May we give him the plan. But you know why it will succeed? That plan not be only me do am. That plan not be only me do am. You get one person when they with me, he stand tanda, help me do that plan. Own. I don't want the work when I stop. When I start, make it stop. I don't want make it don't fail. That's why I say make these two people come. They can't take over from me. May they continue from where I go stop. Una go allow them. Una go allow them. The eyes have it. Oh yeah, Asue, talk to your people.
If you not be PDP, Asue Ighodalo and Wesabi. Now him go lead us to the promised land. Asue Ighodalo
Asue for governor. Man, you guys, like my chairman, they talk. You guys have too much. My chairman, have you borrowed that phrase? Then too much. Oh what? Okay. We thank God. 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 You know, for the past 8 years, one man with him, people will surround them, they don't walk. They don't walk. They don't, it be like person who won't be house, will be like 100 story. He don't do, before 8 years ago, how many of our Pekin they passed primary school exam? How many? We did number 28 out of 36. Today, we did number 2. I'm not even sure whether it will be 1 or 2. Today, before 8 years ago, when mountains they come, people where they walk, they fear. How we go chop? How we go pay rent? How we go do this? Since Obaseki come, by 20 feet, alert go do Naga. Before that time, our old people we don't work for this country, tired, no money, then they go day line. You go see them. They don't even bring chair for them to sit down. They don't go bring bench. They go sit down for tree. Tree go chook there for back. They go stand up. They go fall down. Obaseki come and talk, say, sit down for house. 26, and let's go do. You know, the other day I dey look TV, I dey look am. One person dey inside village. Now they put on computer. They say wetin do the woman for back. She say something dey pain am inside body. The doctor wey dey with am say, yeah, make I touch the place. Then he put on computer, bam. One doctor for Chicago, he come. He said, yes, Mrs. Roy, what's the matter with you? They touch her. The man said, this one pay me. The man just bring his own TV for there. Just do bang. Oh, he said, na rheumatism. The doctor wey dey inside village for Nigeria, he tell her, say, na this drug you go give this woman. Waiting, cause am. We don't get Wi-Fi everywhere. So when I did diaspora, me and Osarodion last week, we tell our people, we say, those of them wey dey there, we be doctor, now go dey treat us inside village here. Now give us some of your time. Those of them wey be teacher, now go teach our Pekin from here because we go to use Wi-Fi. That means say we go there 10,000 miles away, we go still dey the same room. You know, when people they think, they cause progress. When people love them people, they cause progress. Osarodion and myself, we love una. We wish una well. We want to make it better for all of us. You know, I dey talk am for East, just now Etsako East. I said this one where people they take carrot, cook soup, take cucumber, cook soup, take one